Okay, so I did tell you guys that I was going to show you that I got this, what, I think last week or maybe 2 weeks ago. This, what is called? Ottlite? Ottlite? I don't know, whatever. Y'all see what it is. I got it for, I got it from Joann's, and they had a sale on it. It was normally like $50, half off, baby. I got half off on it, so I picked it up. Let's see what it is. So as you can see, I'm gonna show you real quick. This is what my sewing, you know what it looks like. I don't have much light in here, so I want to see if this baby will shine bright like a diamond. All right, so let me unbox this thing. All right, so we got some paper. I probably won't read until I can't figure it out. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, we got some, okay, a little cord here. We're gonna need that. That to the side. Some extra paper, stuff I don't need. All right, and here is the good stuff. All right, let's see. All right. Okay. Okay, look, it got a little touch screen on here. Turn it off, bring it up a little higher, boom, boom. Then I think this has, nope, it says it right here that it has illuminating lights. It got 3 different lights. Illuminate, oh, that's not what that light say. Okay, I got it. It says illuminate in all bold. 3 colors, 3-color mode. It got warm white, bright white, and natural daylight. So let's see what I want to do. It says choose from dimmable with 5 brightness levels. It's adjustable. Yeah. And then it's a touch sensitive control base. All right, let's see what else it does. Okay, we're gonna see. All right, now got that there. Let's plug this baby up. Okay. All right, plug that here. Let me go find myself an outlet around here so I can plug it up. I got like some on the bottom of it, so it won't move around a lot, I guess. But we'll see. All right, let's put it back here. And now I got a plug back there. Let's see. All right. Let's plug it up. Okay, I don't think I need to read this yet. I believe this right here. It's cool. All right, so let's see. Oh, can y'all see a little bit? Okay. Let there be light. Oh, that's super bright. Okay, I like that. But I kind of, let's see. How do I want it? Because it says it's adjustable. I like that. It's just so, well, it's really lit up here in this little part. I kind of want it to light it. Okay, hold on. No, it's all lit up. That's the minus it, you know, to get it dimmer. Let's bring it back bright. Oh, okay. That M. See what that M stands for. I have to pick all this stuff up later. If I don't, just remind me. Because then I'll be crying that my sewing room junky again. The M stands for. There's an M. Come on, M. Oh, right. Oh, that's in Spanish. Knows nothing about that. M. Okay. I don't know. I figured it out. But, oh, I can do a little warranty on it. I don't never feel like them things. I need to. Okay, so look. So, I like it. It says it's adjustable. But who want to do that, though? If I do it that way. Does it? Pop lock and drop it like that over here. Let's see if I go back this way. But I like it. It's a lot of light though. What y'all think? Was it worth getting? I guess I gotta ask myself that, huh? So I see. I think it works really well for $25. Turn it off. Oh, there's the other setting. Why it seems like it's so much brighter on this one? And then back that one. So this is how you change all the colors with the M. So this right here must be the daylight setting. This is kind of what it looks like when it's daylight. That's right here, the warm. Boom. All right. Kind of like this a whole lot better. I like this one. Real nice. Check it out. See? All righty then. I guess that's it. That's all I got. So my little, so it can go up like that. Don't need it that way. But I guess if I bring it down a little further that way, it'll brighten it. Yeah, I think it works. I have to get it out the way, so put it, yeah. Maybe right there. I don't know. It just depends on what I want to do with it. Whoop. All right, so I hope you like this video. Ooh, come on, bro. Get up out your way. So I hope you liked the video. This was, I like it a lot. It was $25 when, like 25 something when I got it from Joann's. I don't know what setting I like though. I think I like that one. I think I like that one. I think it's nice. So yeah, I guess if y'all want to try it, you can go pick you one up. I don't know. You know, it is what it is. I'll see if I'm gonna continue using it. Yeah, that's about all I got. So, well, see ya.